Benz. Tryna fuck on a few twins. Had my fam out on the hill somewhere. They don't know where the pool is. Mad rooms.
Alright, so y'all, today is the day. I'm trying to get in, like, what's going on? Thank you. Today is the day your girl getting her braces off. I am late though, y'all. I was up so early and then I went back to sleep. But today's the day. They said today is pre-removal and then the next day is, I don't know. I don't get that pre-removal stuff because I looked it up online and nothing said anything about pre-removal. So I'm praying to God that they take me because I am late. I'm 20 minutes late, y'all. I'm gonna like record sneakingly, so I'm gonna turn down my brightness because you're not supposed to really record in here. But this is how your girl's looking today. Feel me? Y'all. Last time see me in braces. Hopefully.
What's your last name?
Nathaniel? Yes. Okay. No, it's fine. I'll stop it right here. Let me fill out here or sit down? Let me fill it out.
No, you can just sign here.
Okay. Okay.
Take a seat, take your time.
Thank you. Okay, so y'all, we're leaving the appointment. So basically what the pre-removal is, I got my permanent retainers. If you guys don't know what permanent retainers are, I'm gonna put it in a picture. But next week, 2 weeks from now, is when your girl officially get her braces off. Tell them stop playing me because listen, I'm about to be smiling all over. Hold on. I'm about to be smiling like crazy. Let me put my mask up. Like, this has been 3 long years, and it is finally coming to an end. So I don't know how to act, y'all. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. That was mad weird. The door was never like that, y'all. But my mom parked over there, but this bus is in the way. This bus is in the way. Oh my God, y'all. I'm so happy I get my braces taken off. And they gave me an envelope. I wonder what's in this envelope. It's probably my teeth pictures. I can honestly care less for. I don't care about them. But it is hot out here. It feels amazing. People watching me. They need to stop watching your girl because I don't want them. Don't do that. What happened? Who you thought I was? Dang, I look good, y'all, because people are watching your girl like crazy.
I say go.
No, red say stop and green say what?
Go.
Okay.
We say go.
So this is how my mouth looking right now, y'all. So this vlog won't be done till 2 weeks from now. So I will be back in 2 weeks to finish this vlog. So that's it for today. I don't want to do no extra stuff in this vlog because this is not about nothing else. It's only about my braces. So I'll be back in 2 weeks. I'm like touching this door. Alright, so y'all, it is exactly 2 weeks later and I am back at my dentist. So hopefully today's the day. Now, they don't let me record. In there. I'm out of breath, y'all. I'm so tired. I literally got 1 hour of sleep. It is 11 o'clock. I got 1 hour of sleep. I'm so tired. So hopefully everything goes good. I got my braces off. This is my last look. Hopefully I look good, y'all, but I'm my braces. I feel like I'm about to look mad weird. But I ain't even do my hair, y'all. I did not care to do my hair. I'm tired.
Let me get a mirror.
Okay.
So, open this, and you're gonna just look into the mirror. You see, you're just gonna put this in like that, and you're gonna make sure all the teeth and the retainer are matching. Give a little push from the front. Might be a little bit tight though. Is it tight?
Yeah.
It meant to be. Sorry.
Okay. Okay,
Is
there
it?
you go. Yeah,
Yeah. And then you see how there's almost no like little gaps between the teeth. That's what we want.
Okay.
You don't want like make sure it's all the way in. And when you take
The
it
back?
out, the back yeah, they're not all the way in though. Let me try. Okay. And they're not like all the way in. But I'm just gonna call the doctor over to check because.
Okay.
And when you take it out, I'm gonna take 2 fingers and you start from the back. You're gonna go inside like that. Give a good wiggle. It's out. Okay.
Got it.
And take it out from the front. And never ever use your mouth like. Don't just put it in and then bite
Right,
with,
okay.
with your mouth and try to force it in, because the way toothes are, it's like this. It's not straight down. So
Okay.
the force may crack this.
Okay, got it.
Okay. Pressure. Okay, it's all. I'm gonna call the doctor over. I think it's fitting. It's not the best fitting, but
Yeah, it's just this side.
it's good.
Yeah. But other than that, the other side is good. It's good.
I don't even know. I think I'm usually seeing the same thing over and over that like sometimes you don't even know. Like, yeah.
Oh my god, y'all, the difference is crazy.
Yes.
Y'all know how my teeth look before this. I'm gonna import that vlog from before when I was getting my braces, y'all. Look
you got
at it.
that? Well, you gonna wait till you get your whitening first?
No. I'm gonna take the women to get whitening.
Leave me. I got.
Oh my
change
god,
in my
y'all.
pocket.
Y'all girl
Don't
got
do
her
it
braces.
upside down.
My teeth. I'm sorry. I'm just so happy.
Yeah. I wonder how right he won though. I wish he could complete.
I'm happy. Hold on. I'm gonna have to finish this vlog when I get home. Now you guys, I'm finally back home. This may be a short vlog because I couldn't really vlog that much in the dentist office because 1, it was a lot of copyright going on, and 2, I don't even know, I didn't even look back at the footage yet, but I feel like it was like a weird angle for me to hold the camera up while she was all in my mouth or whatever. But y'all, say less, like, oh my god, y'all, I never ever thought my teeth was gonna ever look straight, y'all. Like, I don't know, I just feel like it took forever for me to get braces, and I feel like it took forever for it to finally come off. I'm using my back camera, but I'm also looking in the mirror, but oh my gosh, yeah, how do I look? Like, I low-key feel like I look older in a way. Say less. Oh my god. I'm so happy now. I could really eat whatever I want. I mean, I was eating whatever I wanted before. Oh man, I hope my finger wasn't covering the mic the whole time. I was eating whatever I wanted before, but like this time I don't have to worry about a bracket popping off or none of that. Oh my god, say less. Yeah, now I keep saying less because it's a TikTok and like say less. But y'all, oh my god, like I'm so excited. Like finally got my braces off and nobody's telling me nothing.
Just had a newborn with a new ground and a new tone. You can cry now, I'ma still go. Don't hit my phone unless my blue binge. Tryna fuck on a few twins.